Hello everyone, and welcome to our first video about computers and computing and seeing if we can get Maggie up to speed with computers and me as well, because I don't really know that much about computers, although I do write software for a living, but I've never really been sort of hands-on with computers and stuff. So I'm Chris.
I'm Maggie, and today we're going to be unboxing my new coding computer, which will teach me how to code. And I got it for my birthday a couple of weeks ago. So let's get started.
Yeah. So this is what is this? This is a Kano computer kit. A Kano, right? So we haven't opened this. Okay, so go on then. Off we go. Let's see what is in the box. Okay.
Right, in the box,
It's a nice box. It's a
there's
pretty box.
the instructions,
Okay, so let's get the instructions out and show everybody those.
and there's a few stickers.
Okay, so what have we got here? Make a computer.
Make a computer. How to make a computer. And then there's some stickers.
Some cool stickers. Stickers. More stickers. They can go on my computer. Leave a review stuff and I don't know, other stuff.
And
okay, cool. So let's put this to one side.
There's
Right.
a little black, and you have to peel it open. And here is stuff to make the computer.
Right. Okay. So what bits have we got? What do you recognise here? I wouldn't stick your fingers on that too much.
Is there like a bigger one to make a really big computer? And you stick cables in it?
So I think this is the computer itself, I believe. So this is actually a computer. So you can see that there's a, what have we got here? That's a USB there. What have we got here? They're USBs. No, that's not, am I being, what's that? That's not USB, is it? Okay, we're going to find out what that is. So that's interesting. Those are USBs. That looks like an Ethernet cable, so you can plug it directly into a router.
So,
so that's cool.
Is this protection for the...
Let's get that out and show everybody what that is then. So what have we got here? We've got...
I think this is protection for the computer.
Okay, yeah, so some kind of case, so that would go in there, do you reckon?
Yep.
Got some kind of case there.
And then we've got this.
Got one of those.
Which probably is a bit of the computer or something to program.
Yeah, don't know what that is, but we're going to find out. We're on this journey together. No idea what that is.
And this is a plug, which you plug
That's
into a socket.
Definitely.
And then you can plug in a US cable here. Or is that not a US cable?
I think that's a USB, yeah. USB.
And then this is a keyboard.
That is pretty.
That's cool.
That is a pretty cool keyboard,
Is
isn't
this
it?
a mouse?
Yeah, it's like a trackpad, so you can move your fingers on it. I guess it is anyway. We don't know until we plug it in.
And here
What have we got there?
two cables, which I guess you plug in.
So let's have a look at those cables. So this is, oh, well it tells you here. I don't know if you can see that. This is an HDMI cable.
And
So HDMI is the same kind of cables you get with televisions. So
charging cable.
television.
This is a charging cable.
Okay, so so that red one's probably going to go in.
Plug in here.
Plug in there. Yep.
Right. And then
What else have we got?
I think
What's that in there? Any ideas?
just a cable.
There we go. And got some kind of card. Looks like a. Have you ever seen one of these before?
Well, I had, but I can't remember where.
Like, you can sort of generally store data on these cards. Last time I saw
Is
one
it
of these
a cloud?
Is it a cloud? What do you mean by that?
An iCloud where you store stuff.
It is like a storage device, yeah, exactly. So it's a bit like the cloud, but the cloud is usually when we store things on computers elsewhere, but this is actually going to be stored on here.
Oh.
So I remember when we used to use these, put these in cameras and stuff like that, but you probably don't even remember cameras because everybody uses an iPhone now. So we've got one of those as well.
Let's put this box to one side and let's see the computer.
So let's look at this first page. Okay, so this is pretty cool. Let's just show people.
And it says HDMI cable,
Yeah.
the power cable. So I
Yeah.
think it's just.
And the keyboard and mouse. Yeah. So this is judoka. I don't know if I pronounced that right. Judoka, like a judo person. Okay, so that's a memory card. So this is a memory card.
And this is
So
the plug.
a power plug.
And then
Power-
there's also
power plug.
the power button, which I think is still in here.
Oh, we've lost a power button. That's probably going to be quite important. Do you see that?
Here.
Oh. Oh, look.
It's right here, right in the
It's
middle.
quite tucked in.
If you can't
the
see
case.
that, it's quite small.
Okay, so we've got a power button.
Right, it got it. I don't want to break it. Oh,
Okay.
it's literally
Cool.
just a plastic button.
Yep. And this,
This is a light ring.
it's a light ring. So we're going to find out more about that.
This is a case lid, so I'm
Yep.
wondering where that goes. Oh, does it go on top of here?
Yep, I guess so, yep.
And these are DIY case. This is a DIY case.
It's the DIY case for the computer. And this is what?
A Raspberry Pi 3 brain.
Yeah, so these are called Raspberry Pis.
Oh,
So
I've
I don't know a
heard of
lot
that.
about Raspberry. You've heard of Raspberry Pis, yeah. So I don't know an awful lot about Raspberry Pi, but I do know that they sort of started and they've created computers that are quite affordable and small, like this one.
Can't you get really big ones of these which make a huge computer? Or is it just
Maybe.
that?
Maybe you can. I guess so.
You never
We'll
know.
find out.
Right,
Right,
let's
okay,
go.
so that's a Raspberry Pi 3, is that? Raspberry Pi 3 brain, it says there.
Okay, let's tell me.
Okay,
This is your computer's brain. So that's the computer's brain, like our brain, but it's the
Yeah.
computer's brain. It's tiny but powerful.
yeah. Okay.
Let's give the brain new powers. Grab the memory card and slide it out. Slide out the micro card.
So there's a
Micro card.
slide out the micro card.
Oh, wait.
Oh,
Wait, show them
can you right, okay, so can you slide that out?
that. Maybe. So there's a little micro
There's a
card.
little card there's a micro card inside here, isn't there? There you go.
This.
Just came out of that.
This came out of this.
Okay,
Mummy and a baby.
so we're gonna now take the brain,
And turn it over.
and where are we gonna put that micro card? Got any ideas?
Seems in one of these. Well, it says turn it over, so turn it over.
Oh,
Oh, it
there
goes
you
in-
go.
There's a
It
little
must
slot.
go in there
There's a little
somehow.
slot here.
Right, so let's look at it the same way as it goes in there. Can you see that?
Yeah.
So
So
what are we gonna do?
This little micro card has to go in this slot here.
Okay. So
Right.
let's look at it. So we can't see those gold things, can we,
So
on the picture?
turn
So
it over.
the gold things have to go that way, yeah?
So this one, I'm pretty sure it goes
Yeah,
in like
I like that. Show them how that's going to go in.
So I think because on this picture it doesn't show any, right here, it doesn't show any of the gold bits. So if you turn it over, on this little disc it says sand disk, and there's a big line there, and it's like this, and there's little small bits on here which you probably can't see, but then there's little lines on here, so I'm guessing it goes in.
Okay, so slide
way.
slide that in. So just hold it like the picture is, and we're going to slide that in there, are we? Yeah. And is that in?
Probably,
Does it feel
yeah.
like it's in?
Feels like it's in. I don't think it can go any
Yeah. Don't
further.
want to push that any harder, do we? Right. Okay. Let's put it back on.
Great. Now let's
Nice
add the
look.
lights.
Add the lights. So get the lights then, Max. The light ring. So here we go. LED lights. What does LED stand for? Tells us in the book.
Light emitting
Emitting
diode.
Light emitting diode. So emitting means it's sort of pumping out light. It's emitting something, yeah?
So these are the little lights.
So it has 10 LEDs, this light ring, that we can code.
Oh, is this a button that might go on here so we can press that?
Maybe, yeah. The
So
ring will
button
flash
here.
with colours after the brain is brought to life. Okay.
There's a little button right here, and I'm wondering if this goes on here.
Oh, okay,
Doesn't
we'll
say
find
yet.
out. Okay, so this is quite cool. Right, okay, so we've got to line it up with the pins on the brain.
The
Okay,
brain,
so we've got
these
some
are the little
pins on the brain.
and there's holes in here, so the pins.
Right, let's bring this forward so we're not on our kitchen table. So see if you can you fix that in there like it says in there. Right, can you try and do that? Line it up.
Oh, it's
Well done.
lined up, it's lined up.
It's lined up.
Oh,
Okay. Push it down.
it just-
Yeah?
So this is now
Okay.
connected to the brain right here. So now, hopefully, it won't just slot out because.
Okay. Awesome. Okay, so the light ring borrows power from your computer. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, now we've got to add the power button.
I knew.
You're
This
right, Lee.
power button goes
Okay,
in this
well
little
done.
slot here. Ooh.
Cool. You get it on?
Ooh. Not sure if it is that. Is that? I think it's there.
Does it feel like it's on?
Yep. It's a tempting button that you want to push now.
A tempting button. Okay, now onto the case.
So we have to slot. So as you can see, you might not be able to see it, but here there's little holes and there's little holes here. So I'm guessing it just
Can you line them up?
slots. Oh,
Get this side off a bit, sweetie. There you go. Whee!
ew.
Oh, hang on.
Did I do it the wrong way? Oh, you're meant to put the. You're meant to put the. You meant
We went
to
to put the computer in before we did that.
So you have to slide in the middle. Oops. Oh look, there's little things.
Oh
in
yeah,
there.
so we were supposed to line them up, but can we get that in there now? I don't suppose we can. Oh no. So,
Don't break it.
how do we...
This little computer is meant to go in that little box, but as you can see, we're meant
Yeah,
to
we
put the computer
clipped it
in the
together
middle.
before...
We're meant to put it in the middle, so oops.
Okay. We're going to have to work out how to get this out. Oh right, okay. So it does come apart. That's good news. Right, okay. So let's line it up.
So as you can see on the picture, the red button, I'm guessing, goes in this bit.
Okay, so...
Oh, and there's little slots.
Oh, okay, so there's a... If we look at this hole here, this hole matches that bit there, doesn't it? So there's a little hole at the end there.
Right.
You see that hole?
Yep. So
Okay, so that hole
It's meant
has to go where that red button is, yeah? So... No, it has to go in the case, sweetheart. Yeah.
okay, in the case.
In the case.
Look. Now, as you can see, it's now going to slot
Right, okay,
in.
so let's try and slot that bit in there. Does that go in there?
It's not really.
Okay, well we
Wanting
might
to.
need to put the other one in.
Okay, let's try use the holes again.
Can you do that?
I don't think it's. Oh, what's that? It's a bit open.
Oh, that's in, isn't it?
Yep. So
Do you think that's in? It's a little bit fiddly, that, isn't it?
now it looks like a case, so you can just take this on a travel bag.
Okay, now we have a brain with armour and memory. So we've got a memory card in there, remember?
Memory card.
Memory card in there.
so it remembers stuff. So
Light button.
So when you turn your computer off, what a memory card is. So I was thinking what a memory card does.
Okay.
So when you turn your computer off, it stores or it will keep the data. So it won't. All your data won't go away.
That's right. That's what memory is exactly. So when you switch something off, it can still remember stuff.
Does this go on the top then? What does it say next?
Okay, so this is the lid, yeah.
Oh, I think, because if you can't see, there's a little hole here.
Yep.
And on the picture, the red dot is sticking out. So I'm guessing this red dot goes on top of here. Okay, let's see. I think you have to line it up. Oh, I think that's just in and it's sliding. Oh, is there a little...
So look, shall
It's
we?
just meant to... I think it's like... Is it just meant to sit on top? Or is it meant to be squished in somehow?
Doesn't feel like that's in enough, does it, somehow?
No.
Let's see if does it slide under there? There you go. Click. And
Here is
we've built a computer.
Here is our computer.
It's got some protection. Okay, so now it's time we need to plug it into a screen. So I think we'll end our video here, shall we? And then next time we'll get this thing plugged in with our HDMI cable. So we're going to plug it into a screen and
we need to add the
power it up.
computer. So I'll probably talk to you this about next time, but as you can see, there's plastic on the top, and if you peel it off, there's a little cable here stuck to the computer.
Oh,
So
awesome.
we would really recommend this computer for people who are interested in coding and computers, people who are too young to have a big computer but really want a computer.
Yeah, well, so far so good, isn't it? I mean, that was pretty easy to put together. We obviously made a slight mistake in clipping that, but hey, we're all about making mistakes, and yeah, we'll see how we get on. This is the Kano computer kit.
So if you would like to buy anyone this or get it for yourself, go on to kano.com, I'm guessing. And
we don't know. What is it? Is it kano.com?
What
does it say? Does it say on the box?
I don't think it says.
We don't know. We suggest Googling Kano or
Yeah.
any other search engine of choice.
And it says at the bottom here, computer kit, make your own computer. And if you just peel this bit off, it says, simple steps, build it yourself, learn to code, hack Minecraft. I'm not recommending that, but hey.
You might do.
Make apps, art and music.
Okay, so that's the end of this video. Bye everyone.
Thanks for watching.